Today I am going to share delicious boba recipe. Going back to why I made this channel, primarily to help those who want to start their milk tea or coffee shop business, and also for those that are already in the business and would like to learn new ways of making delicious coffee and tea recipes. And of course, I try to make my recipes very simple, very easy, so that even those at home can make them for their friends and family. Today is going to be a hazelnut day. We're going to make 3 different drinks: coffee, chocolate, and tea, using hazelnut as flavor. And we are going to top it up with a macchiato style milk, or I'm going to call it milk lava. Now let's get started with Hazelnut Tea Macchiato. Because we are going to make 16 ounces cups, I am going to need 150 ml or 5 ounces of brewed black tea. So I'm going to start off with 200 ml of hot water, allowing for the water that will be absorbed by the tea bags. For the tea, I'm going to use regular English breakfast tea. You may use any brand. Lipton will be fine as well. I'm going to use 2 tea bags just to make sure it is going to be strong and tasty, because this is going to be diluted with milk. This brand of tea that I am using is rather strong, so I'm using only 2 tea bags. If you're using Lipton, I would recommend that you use 3 tea bags for 1 cup. If you are using loose leaf, use 1 tablespoon or 1 scoop of tea for 1 cup of 16 ounces. We are going to steep the tea for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of creamer. This is just to make sure that the drink is really creamy and rich. And using the milk frother, blend the tea mixture well. I'm going to add into this 45 ml of my milk syrup and 15 ml of the star of the show, hazelnut. Into the cup, our boba pearls. Over ice, pour your drink and add the hazelnut and milk syrup combo. Put the lid on, and we'll go back to that later. Next is hazelnut coffee macchiato. Once again, to make it standard, 150 ml of hot water, and use any brand of instant coffee. I am going to put 2 teaspoons of instant coffee because this is 16 ounces cups. And then once again, I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of creamer. Blend well using a milk frother. Into this, I'm going to add 45 ml of milk syrup and 15 ml of hazelnut syrup. Boba pearls, ice, pour the drink over. Add the milk syrup and hazelnut combo. Put the lid on, and we're going to get back to it later. Finally, hazelnut chocolate macchiato. 150 ml of hot water. One scoop of dark chocolate powder, unsweetened. 2 teaspoons of creamer. Blend well using the milk frother. I'm using the same procedure across the board so that it'll be easy to remember. Once again, 45 ml of the milk syrup and 15 ml of hazelnut syrup. Boba into the cup. Ice, pour the drink over. Add your milk syrup and hazelnut combo. And then put the lid on. And finally, the icing on the cake, the milk foam, the macchiato foam. I have shown you in previous video tutorials how to make a milk foam. All you need is cold fresh milk, and you may use any of these three methods using a manual milk frother, using a French press, or an electric milk frother. Any of these gadgets will allow you to create that creamy milk foam that not only look attractive on your drinks but also make your drink taste better and creamier. For those that have not yet seen the video tutorial on how to make a simple milk foam, go ahead and check out the link above. And now for the moment of truth. We just made 3 delicious hazelnut macchiato drinks. Let's start with the first one, hazelnut chocolate macchiato with boba pearls. Delicious, very chocolatey, and the taste of the hazelnut, Nutella in a cup. Very delicious. The tapioca pearls, sticky, chewy, soft. If you are going to make this at home, make sure you just prepare your tapioca pearls just before you make your drinks, because tapioca pearls don't last soft and chewy like this. This is absolutely delicious. Now for the hazelnut tea macchiato. Refreshing. This is delicious too. I am going to have a boba overload. And finally, our hazelnut coffee macchiato with boba pearls. Coffee. Delicious too. Now, all these recipes are very simple to make. There's no reason why you should not be able to make this at home for your friends and family instead of going out and spending lots of money and buying them off milk tea and coffee shops. Easy enough for you to make. If you have any questions about any of these recipes at all, do let me know, comment below. I'll see you again for more video tutorials on milk tea, coffee, smoothies, and frap. In the meantime, stay safe, stay tuned, happy holidays. Thank you for watching. Ciao for now.